the car when you step out. Face the car when you step out. Don't flex. Don't flex. I think that your buddy has a gun, so I need you to step into the car.
You think my buddy has a gun?
He's acting.
Welcome back to Crazy Amazing World. This episode covers racial profiling and unreasonable searches. On July 15, 2018, 23-year-old Montre Little and 21-year-old Jared Clinton were leaving a local park when they were stopped by a police officer from the Des Moines Police Department in Des Moines, Iowa.
What's going on, guys?
Not much.
What's up?
How you doing, officer?
Is this your car?
Well, it's a rental right now. My car's in the shop.
Okay. Did something break down?
Yes, sir.
Gotcha. You guys just came from over at the park, right?
Yeah, we just hanging out.
That's it?
Well, that's what we doing.
Is this your car?
I just told you my car's in the shop, officer. This is a rental.
Okay. How do you start it?
What do you mean? I just put my foot on the brake and I put it in drive and I drive, officer.
The officer asks an accusational question about how to start the car. If Mr. Little wasn't familiar with the process for starting the car, it could insinuate that Mr. Little had stolen the car, thereby providing the officer with reasonable suspicion. But in this case, Mr. Little was very familiar with the process of starting the car.
So it's your car, though? Did they give you a fob or something?
It's not my car, officer.
Did they give you a key fob or something? Or?
Yes, sir. Officer.
Like, what does it do? Does it?
You see, that should let you know that it's in.
Okay. Do you have any weapons on you or in the car?
No, officer.
Okay, can I be honest with you? It smells like marijuana in the car, and I can see shake on the ground. And your buddy's giving me the idea that maybe he's got a gun.
The officer uses the smell of marijuana as a probable cause to bypass the consent to search that is typically required by the driver of the vehicle, and also insinuates that Mr. Clinton has a gun hidden in the car. Both accusations are based purely on speculation.
You know what I mean? Like, that's what I think.
How?
I don't know. Just the way, just the way you're holding yourself, man. Like, that's why we're nervous, man. That's it. I mean, if you're scared because you got a little bit of weed, that'll be one thing.
Officer,
okay.
There's no weed.
Okay.
There's no shake on the floor.
Okay, so there's no shake on the floor?
Officer.
Okay. All right. And you don't have any weapons on you, you said?
Officer, that is correct.
Okay, do you have your ID on you?
Why don't you want to get in trouble with the police?
My brother's been pulled over multiple times for doing that. I live in Des Moines, I go to work. I don't like doing it.
Okay. You don't got no weapons on you?
Officer, no, sir.
Go ahead and step out, Montre. Yep, I just told you why. 3 times. You want me to recap again?
Officer, look, my hands is up.
Yep, your hands are up, and now I'm asking you to step out of the car.
I gave you my ID.
You gave me your ID.
Go run it.
Yep, I don't want to. I'm not walking away from this car.
Officer, can I ask you why?
Yep, because I just told you, step out of the car. If you don't want to go to jail, I would expect you to please listen. I mean, I told you I'm a cop. Face the car when you step out. Face the car when you step out. Face the car when you step out. Don't flex. Don't flex. I don't know what you're doing, man, but you need to knock that off. Stop pulling on your arms. What's going on, dude? Where are you trying to? What are you doing, dude?
Officer, I'm not doing nothing to you.
Okay. Well, you're making me think something funny's going on, man.
Come on, man.
You're not under arrest. You're just like pulling away like you're gonna do something silly, and I don't want that. What?
Nothing.
What?
I'm not even gonna.
Okay. Well, you're not under arrest, man. We're just trying to figure out what's going on.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so slide over here. I mean, your heart is thumping, dude. Like you're beating.
Officer, please don't.
Don't what? Have a seat.
Okay.
Have a seat. I think that your buddy has a gun, so I need you to step into the car.
You think my buddy has a gun?
He's acting funny. Step in the car, please.
Officer,
If you don't step in the car, you're going to jail for sure.
Okay, that's
So
fine,
step
officer.
in the car. So step in the car.
Listen,
I don't
please,
want.
officer,
I'm not. I'm
officer.
done listening. I just told you. I think that your buddy has a gun. Now knock it off.
Nothing in there. Can you spread your feet just a little bit? Okay. All right, come back and stand with me, okay? You're not gonna run from the area.
The officer searches the vehicle but doesn't find any weed. Rather, he finds a bottle of liquor.
How old are you, Montre? You supposed to be.
March 25th, 1995.
You supposed to be drinking in the park there?
Officer, officer, that's just in there, okay? There was no gun, there was no weapon to harm you, officer. We didn't do anything wrong. We stopped at the stoplight. We pulled over when you pulled over. I did everything you asked me to, officer. You thought there was a weapon. There's no weapon. We wasn't doing anything wrong, officer. I'm not sure why you pulled me over. At your rental, everything is fine. There was no breaking taillight or nothing, officer. I did nothing wrong with you.
Mr. Little makes a cogent point. From the information on the video so far, there appears to be no valid reason for a traffic stop. The tag, registration, and functions of the vehicle must have been valid considering that the car is a rental. This stop appears to be based solely on the officer's speculation.
Okay. You've got for the night. You might try calling a cell phone. Copy, thank you.
How's your day going, officer?
I'm good, brother.
That's good, man.
If I take them handcuffs off you, can you dump out that bottle of alcohol for me?
Oh, I could do it anytime, officer.
Is that good?
Yeah, of course it is.
You good? We straight? Okay. So here's the deal. Like, you and I know. I mean, let's start over. Let's roll with each other. Did I make anything up when I said the car smelled like marijuana?
Yeah, a little bit. A little bit.
Hold on.
Because there was nobody smoking in the car.
Is there marijuana shake on the floor of the car?
Officer, that was cigarette ash, okay? You didn't find no marijuana.
I'm not charging you with marijuana. But here's what. If you want me to be real with you, like I want you to be real with me for a second. Like, did I make that up? You know what I mean? Did I make it up?
I believe so, officer.
It appears the officer is seeking a confession from Mr. Little to a crime he didn't commit, but Mr. Little calls the officer's bluff. This is deceptive interrogation tactics. The Fifth Amendment and the right to remain silent is a powerful tool that every citizen should be aware of and invoke if necessary.
Okay, so you want me to just write you the ticket for the stuff that I had to write you tickets for? If you think that I'm lying, then we'll go to court and we'll talk about it then.
Okay.
Or do you want to just be real with me and I'll be real with you?
Wow, officer.
Right?
I would like to pull out my alcohol like you asked me to, officer. You didn't find anything. We wasn't doing anything, officer.
Okay. So you're not going to admit that you maybe were around people smoking or something like that?
Officer.
Were you around anybody smoking?
Cigarettes.
That's it.
Officer, there's no weed shake on the floor, officer.
All right. Step out. Face the car.
After failing to secure a confession, the officer allows Mr. Little and Mr. Clinton to go on their way without making an arrest or issuing a citation. A few months after this incident, Mr. Little and Mr. Clinton teamed up with the social justice organization, Iowa Citizens for Community Improvement, to file a lawsuit against the officer for violating their constitutional rights by stopping them without reasonable suspicion and conducting a warrantless search of the vehicle. In June of 2019, the Des Moines City Council agreed to a settlement of $75,000. Officer Theus was subsequently removed from patrol duty by the police department but not fired.
No, have a great night.
All right, thank you guys.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give the video a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.